Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Arthur from Debutify, and today we're going to cover how you can find your winning product for your Shopify Dropshipping store in 2024 August edition. Alright, let's dive into it. Today we're going to only cover free stuff like Google Trends, AliExpress, and obviously Facebook Ads Library. Nothing paid, everything's for free, so you can get started right away. So first up, we're going to head over to Google Trends and see what's happening over there. This tool is absolute gold and it's free. When you use Google Trends, you can see exactly what people are searching for, and data is coming directly from Google. Seriously, that's crazy. So first I'm going to go to trendsgoogle.com, and now we're going to look for a product. Let's do something fun. It's August, it's super hot outside. How about inflatable pool? Let's go with that. All you gotta do is hit explore and type in the keyword. In our case, inflatable pool. Then we're gonna switch to United States. So here we can see a really crazy trend that's happening right before the summer starts, which totally makes sense, right? You don't want to have an inflatable pool during the winter. Makes absolutely zero sense. This is a really good indication for what we call a seasonal product. Okay, it's a product that sells to a specific season. Like for example, Christmas time, it's gonna be Christmas gifts, kids toys and stuff like that. And for a summertime, it would be something like inflatable pool. Here we can see a really healthy trend. We can see that people are definitely looking for inflatable pools during this period of time, which is great for you. So now that we found a trending product, let's go to AliExpress and see what's happening over there. So I'm gonna do the same thing like I did with Google Trends. I'm just gonna type in inflatable pools. Again, we're getting a lot of options. Inflatable pool, swimming outdoor, family pool, pool kids and stuff like that. It's really up to you down which niche you wanna go. Maybe you wanna have one product store, or maybe you wanna offer a couple of different inflatable pools. It's entirely up to you. The most important part is that you A/B test as many product variations as possible. That gives you more data and more chances of you making that first sale. For this example, I'm just gonna go with inflatable pool. Okay, we have a lot of options, and the good news is I see that the price is pretty decent. Like this one, for example, here, it's only $48, which is amazing. Let's click on this one and see what's happening. So right away, see there's been more than 1,000 units sold of this pool specifically, which is really good. 4.9 rating in total. Amazing. It means that not too many returns, not too many customer complaints. That's a really good indication for a product. We can also see that delivery is really fast between August 7 and 13. Back in the days, AliExpress would take almost a month to ship from China to US. The good news is right now they got them really good. You don't even need to choose anything like e-packet and stuff like that. Okay, you can just go with AliExpress standard shipping. Most of the customers will get their product within 2-week stops. My advice for these type of seasonal products is that you start offering and running ads a couple of weeks or maybe a month in advance, considering there's a 2-week shipping time frame. So at least your customer gets it during the season, not when the season is done and the pool is not really needed anymore. Another good check to do is basically you want to look at the store itself and see at the seller. So here it's a really good indication. Seller is gold, meaning they've been around for a while. You don't want to go with something that's been open only for a couple of months because you don't know the quality, the customer service they have and stuff like that. So always make sure you go with a good quality store. At the end of the day, less refunds, less headache for you. The next in line, we're going to be looking at Facebook Ads Library. This is a really good indication and kind of gives you an overall idea if product is trending, how many people are trying to sell it, competitors, and stuff like that. The Facebook Ads Library will not give you any metrics like CPCs, CTRs, engagement rates, and stuff like that, comments. You're not going to see any of that, but it's going to give you an overall idea to see if the product is trending and if it's in demand. And you can as well take a look at what people are doing in terms of content, ad copy, and all that good stuff. Again, in this video, we're not going to cover any marketing, Facebook advertising, Google ads, and all that stuff. If you guys want to see that type of content, let us know in the comments right below. So looking at the ad library, the first thing I see, we have 3,100 results just for the month of August. This means that these are the amount of ads that were just launched for inflatable pools. Again, this is going to give you a general idea how people are marketing it, what kind of ad copy they're using, demand for the product in general. But it's going to give you generally a good idea about the product and how it's going. Again, you can see the ad copy, you can see the creative asset. It's going to also give you an idea, so you don't need to think about everything from scratch. Also, what is pretty cool that big brands are pushing inflatable pools, which is amazing. And you can see that these guys launched 4 different ad versions just today. That gives you generally a good idea. If big brands are pushing products like that, there's definitely a demand. Again, you don't want to compete with the big players. You will need to figure out your own USPs or unique selling points, why your product is better. Maybe it's the price, maybe it's for a specific age, maybe your design is cooler. There's tons of stuff you can do. If you want to learn more about product positioning, let us know in the comments and we'll also create a video about that. And at the very end, you want to make sure that the profit you'll be selling will be profitable for you, because don't forget the price itself is not what you're going to be making. the base price is going to be going to the supplier. Then you have shipping costs, advertising costs, your Shopify costs, and all the other costs. So make sure when you're choosing product, you can at least double price the price tag, because at the end of the day, you want to be keeping at least 20 to 30% of the profit margins. Okay guys, so now we have all the basics down. Just an FYI, a winning product doesn't mean that you're going to be selling it like crazy. It's all about A/B testing, persistence, and hard work. You will also acquire a really good Shopify team that's fast, is good and easy to use, and optimized for conversion rates. Down the road, you're going to need Facebook marketing, Google ads, and some basics of SEO. Anyways guys, in a nutshell, that's about it, and we're done guys.